Okay, everyone. You've done so well on State Capitol, What Do You Know About It, that I am inspired to give away this remarkable, one-of-a-kind, funky monkey pencil and an instant A-grade exchange for any test you've taken all year. Are you ready?
Yeah!
For the fabulous pencil and the freebie test score. Name the capital of the state that Dorothy called home.
It's Topeka.
What was that? What was over here?
Topeka! Topeka!
Excellent! Yes, Topeka it is!
Yes!
You did it! Here is your funky monkey pencil and your freebie for the test!
Yes!
Well done!
Hello? A situation? Where? Figures, amygdala. That part of the brain is all reaction, no control whatsoever. I'm telling you. Okay, let's see. I'm getting bombarded with information! Ears, eyes, did you see that? Did you hear that? He took credit for our answer. Can you believe that? Eyes! Did you see this? Skin!
I'm getting hotter. I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot.
Here we go! Stomach!
Shirley, twisting, shaking, aching.
I'm gonna blow hard!
Lumped up, I'm pounding, faster!
Me too! Lungs! We're almost out of control here, ma'am. We're gonna blow muscles!
Pumped up and ready for orders, ma'am.
We're gonna blow! Code red! Everyone, I repeat, code red! Strong emotional response coming through! Prepare systems for strong emotion!
Bravo, James! How did you do it? Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're just tuning in, James has regaled us with his domination in the category of State Capitol. What do you know about it? And by giving us Topeka, the capital of Kansas, where dear Dorothy of the Wizard of Oz hailed from, he has won himself this fabulous funky monkey pencil and a free A-test score!
Yeah!
Okay, James, go take your seat. Okay, everyone, party's over. Now back to work.
You cheater. You know I said Topeka first. You heard me say it. Oh, too bad. You should have said it louder.
He always does that. Cheater! I'll break that pencil into tiny pieces. He thinks he's so smart. He's always ruining everything. I hate him. He'll be sorry.
I'm sensing negativity. It's rushing in.